Hi students. Let's see how much you've learned in this chapter. Here's a quick revision of everything you've studied and learned so far. At the end, don't forget to share your score in the comments. You'll find the full playlist in the description below. What is the main source of heat and light for the Earth? Option A, the moon. Option B, the sun. Option C, the stars. Option D, the Earth itself. The correct answer is the sun. What is the process called when heat is transferred from the hotter part of an object to the colder part? Option A, convection. Option B, radiation. Option C, conduction. Option D, evaporation. The correct answer is conduction. Which materials are considered good conductors of heat? Option A, wood and glass. Option B, metals. Option C, plastic and rubber. Option D, air and water. The correct answer is metals. What happens to the pins in the metal strip when heated? Option A, all pins fall at once. Option B, pins fall in order from the heated end. Option C, no pins fall. Option D, pins fall randomly. The correct answer is pins fall in order from the heated end. In which process does heat transfer occur by the actual movement of particles? Option A, conduction. Option B, convection. Option C, radiation. Option D, insulation. The correct answer is convection. What is the term for materials that do not allow heat to pass through them easily? Option A, conductors. Option B, insulators. Option C, semiconductors. Option D, transducers. The correct answer is insulators. What is the effect of air trapped in woolen fabric? Option A, it conducts heat well. Option B, it keeps us warm. Option C, it cools us down. Option D, it absorbs moisture. The correct answer is, it keeps us warm. What is the phenomenon called when cooler air moves from the sea to the land? Option A, land breeze. Option B, sea breeze. Option C, wind. Option D, cyclone. The correct answer is sea breeze. What happens at night regarding land and sea temperatures? Option A, land cools faster than sea. Option B, sea cools faster than land. Option C, both cool at the same rate. Option D, land and sea heat up. The correct answer is, land cools faster than sea. What is the process called where water seeps through soil and rocks? Option A, evaporation. Option B, condensation. Option C, infiltration. Option D, transpiration. The correct answer is infiltration. What are aquifers? Option A, layers of soil. Option B, underground layers storing water. Option C, water bodies. Option D, air pockets. The correct answer is underground layers storing water. Which of the following is a method to replenish groundwater? Option A, evaporation. Option B, rainwater harvesting. Option C, condensation. Option D, infiltration. The correct answer is rainwater harvesting. What is the role of the sun in the water cycle? Option A, it cools the water. Option B, it causes evaporation. Option C, it causes precipitation. Option D, it filters water. The correct answer is, it causes evaporation. What is the process called when water vapor cools and forms clouds? Option A, evaporation. Option B, condensation. Option C, precipitation. Option D, infiltration. The correct answer is condensation. How does heat transfer occur in solids? Option A, by convection. Option B, by radiation. Option C, by conduction. Option D, by evaporation. The correct answer is by conduction. What is the main reason for using metal utensils for cooking? Option A, they are lighter. Option B, they are good conductors of heat. Option C, they are cheaper. Option D, they are easier to clean. The correct answer is, they are good conductors of heat. What is the process of heat transfer that does not require a medium? Option A, conduction. Option B, convection. Option C, radiation. Option D, insulation. The correct answer is radiation. Why do we feel warm when sitting near a fire? Option A, conduction. Option B, convection. Option C, radiation. Option D, evaporation. The correct answer is radiation. What happens to the temperature of soil compared to water when heated? Option A, soil heats up faster. Option B, water heats up faster. Option C, both heat at the same rate. Option D, neither heats up. The correct answer is soil heats up faster. What is the main reason for the construction of houses in cold regions with thick walls? Option A, to reduce heat loss. Option B, to increase heat gain. Option C, to look aesthetic. Option D, to save space. The correct answer is to reduce heat loss. What is the term for the continuous movement of water in the environment? Option A, water cycle. Option B, water flow. Option C, water evaporation. Option D, water condensation. The correct answer is water cycle. What does the term precipitation refer to? Option A, water evaporating. Option B, water falling from clouds. Option C, water seeping into the ground. Option D, water being absorbed by plants. The correct answer is water falling from clouds. What is the primary reason for using clay and porcelain cups for drinking? Option A, they are cheaper. Option B, they are poor conductors of heat. Option C, they are lighter. Option D, they are easier to clean. The correct answer is, they are poor conductors of heat. What happens to the air in a balloon when it is heated? Option A, it contracts. Option B, it expands. Option C, it cools. Option D, it stays the same. The correct answer is, it expands. What is the effect of using hollow bricks in house construction? Option A, they absorb heat. Option B, they retain heat. Option C, they allow heat to pass. Option D, they are cheaper. The correct answer is, they retain heat. What is the main factor that affects the rate of water seepage? Option A, temperature. Option B, soil type. Option C, air pressure. Option D, water quantity. The correct answer is soil type. What is the primary function of an ice stupa? Option A, to provide shelter. Option B, to store water. Option C, to create ice. Option D, to decorate the landscape. The correct answer is, to store water. What happens to the temperature of water when it is heated? Option A, it decreases. Option B, it remains the same. Option C, it increases. Option D, it evaporates. The correct answer is, it increases. What is the result of heating water in a beaker? Option A, water cools down. Option B, water stays the same. Option C, water rises and circulates. Option D, water evaporates immediately. The correct answer is, water rises and circulates. What is the impact of vegetation on groundwater levels? Option A, it decreases groundwater. Option B, it has no effect. Option C, it increases groundwater. Option D, it contaminates groundwater. The correct answer is, it increases groundwater. Which of the following is not a method of heat transfer? Option A, conduction. Option B, convection. Option C, radiation. Option D, evaporation. The correct answer is, evaporation. What is the primary reason for wearing woolen clothes in winter? Option A, they are fashionable. Option B, they trap air. Option C, they are lighter. Option D, they are cheaper. The correct answer is, they trap air. What is the main reason for the temperature difference between land and sea during the day? Option A, land absorbs heat faster. Option B, sea absorbs heat faster. Option C, both absorb heat equally. Option D, neither absorbs heat. The correct answer is, land absorbs heat faster. What happens to the air above the land during the day? Option A, it cools down. Option B, it rises. Option C, it stays the same. Option D. It condenses. The correct answer is, it rises. What is the purpose of using a thermometer in the soil and water heating experiment? Option A. To measure water flow. Option B. To measure temperature. Option C. To measure evaporation. Option D. To measure pressure. The correct answer is, to measure temperature. What is the primary reason for the use of a Bukhari in cold regions? Option A. To cook food. Option B. To provide light. Option C. To keep rooms warm. Option D. To store water. The correct answer is, to keep rooms warm. What is the main characteristic of a good conductor of heat? Option A. It is light. Option B. It is dense. Option C. It allows heat to pass easily. Option D. It is expensive. The correct answer is, it allows heat to pass easily. What is the effect of excessive groundwater extraction? Option A. Increased water supply. Option B. Decreased water supply. Option C. No effect. Option D. Increased vegetation. The correct answer is, decreased water supply. What is the main purpose of rainwater harvesting? Option A. To collect rain. Option B. To increase evaporation. Option C. To reduce pollution. Option D. To recharge groundwater. The correct answer is, to recharge groundwater. What happens to the temperature of water when it cools? Option A. It increases. Option B. It decreases. Option C. It stays the same. Option D. It evaporates. The correct answer is, it decreases.